We will start by applying the 37% acid. We will let it act for a few seconds and we proceed to wash and dry. Now we apply the adhesive, rub for a few seconds with a micro brush and wash and dry again. Now, with the help of our interproximal matrix, we will start our restoration. With our FP3 and a small amount of resin, we make the interproximal wall. And now we photopolymerize for 20 seconds. And now we begin to carry out the restoration cusp by cusp. Now we attach and carry out the morphology. Now we photopolymerize for 20 seconds. And now we make the next phase, performing the same procedure. Now we photopolymerize and now we finish polishing with our Softflex. And this is our final result.